Welcome back to the channel. Please like and subscribe to help us with the YouTube algorithm. In this video we unbox a Ubiquiti AC SHD access point. This access point is meant for commercial use and would be overkill for home usage. It supports MU-MIMO and can handle over 500 concurrent connections. This makes it perfect for public spaces like stadiums, shopping malls, or offices where there would be a large number of users. The packaging is vastly different from the newer Ubiquiti products. You can really see where your $550 is being spent, as there is quite a bit included in the box. It's quite a bit bigger than any Ubiquiti AC or U6 access points. Also, note the secondary gigabit LAN port that can be used to provide network access to another device. This could be very useful. The contents includes an aluminium mounting plate and backplate, an accessory kit, as well as a 48-volt PoE injector. No power cable is supplied. Please note, when not using the PoE injector, this access point can only be powered by switches that provide 802.3 AT PoE plus power. This means that none of the light Ubiquiti switches can power this access point. A big selling point is the inclusion of multi-user, multiple input, multiple output technology, which allows this access point to communicate with multiple clients at the same time, which significantly increases multi-user throughput and the overall user experience. We hope you found this unboxing video useful. Please like and subscribe for more.